audience. What? We just inserted a Ghost Protocol poster inside a BMW dealership. Ghost Protocol is sponsored by BMW? No. Intro of Darkness and Redness and Whiteness. Dude, that's the best intro of Darkness, Redness, Whiteness I've done in like 2 years. Inside a BMW. You got some smudge on your face. Hold on. So, okay, if you guys haven't seen Mission Impossible 4. Is it 4? There's like 700 BMWs in it. And all of which Tom Cruise crashes and gets out without being hurt. So, yeah, it's pretty obvious. I really tried as hard as I could to not scream sponsor 50 times, but I saw that there was a poster as I was walking down to get coffee, and I got it now. And there's a Ghost Protocols all over the place in here, so I wonder what there's probably some kind of a deal. Buy a BMW and crash it into a wall, and you'll get like 50% off. Probably not, probably 10% off. You know, I mean, come on. But if you do actually buy a car, that's why I went in. I was like, well, I'm thinking about, buying one and then blowing it up. Then it's a write-off, all of it. And then if you buy a car and you make it explode, that's completely a write-off because it's just for a video. So you would have a sweet car for a video, and then you wouldn't pay any taxes on it, but it would still cost $70,000. Anyways, so I went in there, I was walking around, and I just started recording this video, and these people are definitely looking at me. Because, most people that are about to buy a car start vlogging in a car dealership. But, oh my god, and then what's the line from the movie? Tom Cruise is like, so like 3 BMWs are crashed, I think, and then Tom Cruise is gonna go to, I call him, his name's Ethan Hawke. He's gonna go to a party, and people are like, oh wow, that place is nice. He's like, wait till you see the car. I'm like, is it gonna be a BMW? I bet it's gonna be a BMW, and it is. It's a BMW from the future. It comes out in like 2014 or something, called the i8, and it's got like a light up front grille, and the doors like come up like wings, and like if you push a button, you push it really fast, it takes off. And like you can fly over the Everglades. It's pretty cool. And the mileage, like the air mileage, is pretty low. It's like worse than like neighborhood areas when you're flying. But they'll probably work on it. It'll probably be green soon enough. Green technology. Anyway, so like the doors literally flap. I don't know if any of that's true. I just imagined it in my head just now. But I mean, usually the stuff that I imagine ends up being true, at least in my head. So my car's actually been able to fly for years. I just don't use it because the mileage is really bad. And is there I thought there was a person hanging out of that window, but it was a guy on a motorcycle. Cool story, bro. I almost died. Anyways, okay. So what am I doing right now? I'm gonna go make some more videos. And I've been uploading my videos from Toby Games, if you care, I don't, from TubeMogul, which is a website that lets you upload stuff to it and then launch stuff from the website. I think Blip does the same thing. But TubeMogul, like, I wanted to be able to, I upload a lot of videos every month, in case you didn't notice, like 90, and you're limited. You're capped at, I think, 90 or 100. And so I reached the cap, like, per month. I reached the cap, so I have to, like, use, go manual, and my internet sucks. Like, I usually upload overnight, because this gaming episode's like 400 megs. Let's turn around. It's been way too long since I turned around. There's no one here. It's a ghost town. Hey, how's it going? What's up? He went around the corner. There was one person. I was so excited. Anyways, so it costs. I was gonna try to get my upload limit upgraded. It costs $1,500 a month. Huh? And YouTube has a function. The reason you would do it is so you can upload it to TubeMogul, and you can actually set it to publish later if you want, or just like log in at 7 in the morning and just click launch. They all upload like really fast from TubeMogul, which is it's really fast. But to get any sort of like upgraded package, $1,500 a month. I'm like, I'll pay like $10 a month. How about that? They're like, no, for you, $1,499 a month. .99. Like that's hilarious. They didn't even say that. I just made that up in my head. But I bet I can make it a reality if I'm like, all right, fine. You know what? I'm gonna haggle. $14.99.99. Huh? They're like, ooh, let me talk to my superior. Here's a rose. It's for you. There, smell it. Oh, that's nice. That guy's watching me make my phone smell. The rest of the audience, they have a really good sense of smell through the internet. It's fine. Anyways, okay, so Tom Cruise, BMWs explode. At one point, there's just like a car delivery shaft. I'm sorry, so many spoilers. Like the shaft of delivery. Cars are just kind of on elevators. Yeah, I'm talking to myself like this. Oh my god, there's people now. Okay, there's graffiti too. This is a bad neighborhood. I'm gonna get murdered. Go. We're all gonna get murdered. You guys will protect me. You guys are bulletproof. I'll just like hold you up in the most important area. You guys are like my weapon. Hopefully. I've never actually tried. And if I did, I would definitely upload that video. If I like swing you at something. Okay, well, I was gonna say something. Oh, elevators. So there's these car delivery elevators. I'm running out of breath. I'm so weak. Anyways, and then the one that he finally gets in, it doesn't show you what it is. I'm like, oh, is that a BMW, or is it like they can't show the logo because they're not sponsored enough? Then sure enough, he drives it up a cliff, and it like falls 30 feet and smashes into the ground. The airbag deploys perfectly, and it's a BMW. 5-star safety rating at least. At least 5 stars. Maybe even 7 stars. I don't even know. I don't want to guess, because it's not my place. Is that a laundromat? Oh, that's a future BMW dealership. Oh no, it's an ex-smart car dealership. It says smart in there. Not anymore. Not as smart as we thought. No, those smart cars, they're cute. You can cuddle up with them on the couch. Like if you don't have a dog, just like drive your car in your house, it'll fit. Just like cuddle up, read a book to it, and it'll be like, it'll speak to you. It's a smart car. Just gotta make sure it's got a charge or gas. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bless your face. I haven't said anything at all yet. I'm not going to. Go to best t-shirt, anything at the bottom of the video. Everyone own a t-shirt. People own a t-shirt. That guy's like, what did he just say? I don't know. You guys are all also like, what did he just say? Ooh, 99 cents for a laser printer. Laser fax. You can laser fax too? I didn't even know that. I love fax. I learn fax every day. Facts. It's F-A-X, plural, fact. Ah! So, bless your face. If you sneeze on this video, bless you. God, I gotta take a nap. Peace off. Do. Subscribe. Outro of Darkness, then Redness, then Whiteness, then boop. So, dude, I was just trying to boop. Boop. God, he hates when I boop. That's like 2 boops already. Boop. I'm gonna get stabbed.